Hi, I'm Mark Barglof. I'm the owner of Kinetic Technologies. We've been working with Robotics to develop a rotary table solution that really, we call it, revolutionizes your welding, your Cobot welding productivity. So the basic need, a Cobot welder does a great job. It fills in for a lot of high variability, medium volume type of parts. But a lot of times what we run into is that the part itself needs to be repositioned so that we can hit several different sides. The other thing is when we're doing larger weldments, we need the reach and the ability to reach around the parts, the rotary table allows for that. So the table is the RT1. It has 4 index positions, so you can move the part and expose 4 different sides to the robot. The other thing you can do is split the table or split the table into quadrants, and that allows you to fixture on one side and fixture, tack weld, prep the parts while the robot is doing the finish welding on the other side. So we can dramatically increase the arc on time by using the rotary positioner. The table has its own safety system incorporated in it. It separates out the Cobot safety pieces from the actual rotation to make sure you can safely rotate. We use a safety scanner, a laser safety scanner that can be positioned inside of your facility, allowing you to customize your weld cell however you want. It also eliminates the need for large safety cages and welding cells that you traditionally see with an industrial robot or something that you would need a positioner for. The system is precision machined so that every RT1, the programs that you make on an RT1, are transferable to other RT1s. So if you would make a program in one facility, you can have that in a separate facility, or you can weld on one table, but maybe do a switch over and do another part and make that switch over very seamless and easy to use, transferable.